Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Driving an hour and a half to get here. And then of course this is one of my favorite spots. They got all kinds of refurbished stuff here. Such a big fan. And then 20% off right here. And this is pretty cool, but these have been on sale, I think even at Shoe Palace, right? Shoe Palace, at least you get 20% off here. Size 10. And then the refurb, this is my favorite stuff right here. These are size 10, Metcon 9, slightly imperfect, going for 75. Cosmic Unity 3, slightly imperfect, 85. iShot, slightly imperfect, 58. Zoom Victories, some track spikes right here. These are going for 75. Oh man, I thought I got my size right here. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. These are size 9. Dang, I really like these. See if I can see what the imperfection is. I don't really see nothing. Yeah, I saw the sides. I don't really see nothing. But yeah, they go for 90. You get that extra 20 off on top. So yeah, like that's under 70 bucks. Was that like 68 bucks? 110 for the Air Max 1s right here. These are size 9.5. 10.5. More of these Cosmic Unities. These are the 2s. Going for 80. Gently worn. Some Terminators with the powder blue. Was it Photo Blue? Go for 180. Blazers down to 70 right here. These are the Sakai Blazers. These are 11.5 though. Got some Dunks that I've never seen before. These are size 11. These are what, 120? Has that extra crack leather. Yeah, I'm good on these. I'm good on them. 125. Size 11. Look at this. Pegasus 38 Shields, $50. Are you serious? That's what, 40 after the savings. Got GT Jumps right here going for 90. These are gently worn. Can I do see some dirt right there? But yeah, that's hella cheap. That's hella cheap. These are some fire basketball sneakers for 90 bucks. And by 90, I mean 20% off of that. But I got some Sabrinas right here. These are size, I think size 11 men's. Yeah, 12.5 women's, 160. These are Nike by you, obviously. Dunk mids, 125 for these. Flight 95s going for $85. I think I was a couple minutes late. I saw someone with like 5 or 6 refurbished boxes. Probably beat me to some of the better stuff. Got Jordan 38s right here going for 100. That's 80. These are slightly imperfect though. 11.5. Don't think this is a refurb down here, but we're checking $180. 12.5 up here. 270s right here. Size 12, 120 for these bad boys. Con 8, $78. These are like new. 2 trays, we've been seeing these for hella cheap. $80 here. Next Nature's going for 90 right here. Look at this. So this is a refurbished one and then a brand new one. These are going for $40. Size 13s. They're obviously extended size pricing. Those of you guys that are new to the channel, with the extended size pricing, usually like sometimes it's like 12 and up, but most of the time 13 and up, they will just clearance the hell out of them to get rid of them. Usually use the gray tags. The Pro Strongs right here, size 12. These are going for 90. Got the University Blue Adjust Forces. Yeah, this is a size 12 and the clearance, or the extended size price, 120. Look at this Pegasus 38. It's going for $30. You serious? That is the extended size pricing tag right there. Air Force One mid, size 12.5, going for 100. Jumpman 2021s, going for 68. Blazer Sakai's right here, going for 70. Size 13, haven't seen these in a while. Regular price, $225. Stadium 90, size 14, go for 70. Size 18 for 100. Size 13 of these right here, go for 70. Jordan 1 low, $140 for these. Nike Calm slides, are they on sale? 35, okay, 35, size 15. And this is used, size 18, going for $63. And these are gently worn. Concentrating on a lot of the refurbished stuff today. Jordan 11 Comfort Lows going for $65. These are one of the smallest size, 9.5. Airspan 2s down to $50. $75 for the KD 16s right here, gently worn. Hella bright. Another one of these, 10 and a half, $1.20. Jawan's $1.10. These are size 8. And Jordan 36s. These are going for 70. Get the full box. Get the full box. I think I know which one these are. The omnipresent, was it crimson colorway? Infrared colorway. But yeah, $69.97. You get that extra 20 off. So yeah, that's under 60 bucks. Under $60. More 38s going for $100. Slightly imperfect though. Max R5s down to 65. These are size 9. Dirty denims right here. These are size 4.5. What the hell? 110 for those. Blazer mids right here going for 58. They already turned off the music already? I still got like 25 minutes. What the hell? All right. Not really too much craziness out here. Refurbished stuff. If you can find the right thing, definitely a steal. Gotta be hella quick. Who's this? McCaffrey jersey. Super. Oh, I like this one, but I don't want the Super Bowl one. Let's see what the price is. No price tag. Man, that Super Bowl logo. Like, I like this obviously, but the Super Bowl logo, that kind of kills it for me. I'm gonna have them. I'll have them check the price in a sec. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is a Le'Veon Bell. This regular price, $100. Regular price though. Hoodie's going for 65. I don't really have money for that hoodie. Yeah, I should not be blowing money for that hoodie. I should, but I shouldn't. If y'all know what I'm saying. I'm trying to be judicious. Trying to, I just did put $9 grand on my car, so like I'm trying not to put anything on credit card. That's my goal. My goal right now. This is this is inside out. That's what it is. But Nike running pullover, going for $45. Got a Rams right here. Got a Rams Mitchell and S looking hoodie right here, $100 for that one. Got Tech Fleece right here, super bright, $135. Not really seen too many deals in apparel. Saw a couple of decent jerseys, but pricing not really looking great. Look at this, like 90 down to 90. At least you get the 30% off, but just nothing too crazy. Got like polo shirts, 65 right here. I've seen polos for hella cheap too. Got a bunch of the Rams gear. Yeah, they're all $100, dude. All right, let's keep it moving. Let's go. Checking out the women's clearance section. Look at this. I haven't seen one of these in a while. They dropped it to $130. Extended size pricing, $130. And remember, you do get that extra 20% off, so that's close to $100. Damn, they're about to close up, and this is sick. I really like these. This is the women's right here. And this is size 12 women, so 10 and a half. And this is one of the looks right here. If I had more time, I probably would try it on, that type of stuff, but I think I'm gonna leave them. I'm gonna come back in a week. If they're still here, I'll grab them. But it's a new buck. I think it's a new buck, or is that buck leather? I can't tell. This is buck leather. This is like perfect for the rain. Perfect for the rain. Oh, there's suede right here. Never mind, it's suede. Yeah, I'm good. But $60, look at this, $60. You get that extra 20% off. $48, holy cow. These are like $150 or something, dude. Those are fire too. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature, 75 right here. Jordan 1 mids, $63. These are women's 10 and a half. Men's size 9. Jordan 1 low. These OGs? No, these ain't OGs. No, $110 for those, 10 and a half. Still got some of these. That's surprising. Definitely did not expect to see these here. The Neapolitans. Definitely a surprise. Pretty dope. Regular price though. This is a 9.5 women's. 8Y? What the hell is 8Y? Size 8 forces right here, $75. That Python print right there. Do got Jordan 1s right here. These are 8.5 for women's. To be able to get that for 20 off is pretty fire. Got some 2s right here, going for $2. These are all 8.5s, 270s. What's the price on these? 80. That's not bad. This is slightly imperfect though. What is this? I've never seen this color. Is this grade school? I've never seen this colorway. This say I promise right there. All mostly patent leather. Yeah, I haven't seen that. 170 for those. And yeah, these are a size 7 youth. I think these are youth. Yep. All right, we're gonna check. Oh damn, are they closing up? Damn, I think they're closing up. All right, let's go through the aisles real quick. All right, $90 for those. Let me go ask one of the workers about that 97. One of you guys messaged me and said, hey, they didn't give them a discount, or they weren't offering a discount. Pretty sure, but yeah, 2017's right here. Got another one right there. 125 for the highs right here. Got the Billie Eilish right here. Okay, not 97 yet. Not 97 yet. Got some Dunks right here. 115. Jordans right here. See, and they got that red tag on it, so I'm pretty sure you get 20% off here. Got twos. Got a bunch of twos. Got these pretty much in grade school. These are all men's sizing technically, but they only have up to size 6.5. That's the biggest 6.5 youth. And then the white infrareds. That's pretty much about it. All right, let's go hit up some other stores, I guess. Right before we head out, I did forget this. They do have the Armand Manières. They have that up to size what, 9? Size 9 women's. So pretty much women's and grade school sizes. They have this up to size 7.5. They got this women's up to size 9.5. They got these. They got these up to size 10. They got these right here. Nobody's really been looking for these, but they got these up to 9.5. So they got quite a few J's here too. Damn, I was lagging today, man. I was lagging. All right, we're gonna hit up some more shops. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna go. It's raining like a mug. It's raining like a mug right now. All right, let's figure it out. All right, there's a bunch of traffic on the way home, so we'll stop by here, see what's up. All right, we gotta stop by Pro Image. Apparently, remember? All kinds of stuff for $40. Wait, is this $40? Derek Fisher going for 40? Really? There's no way. Really? I did talk to the workers. Look, all this for $40. Dude, the MPLS Derek Fisher. I told him I can't get Derek Fisher jerseys because he's messing with Matt Barnes' wife and stuff. That was hilarious. They forgot about that. But yeah, these are going for $40. These are normally $130 or something. They got these Mitchell and they got these Mitchell and S ones right here too. I got some practice ones, normally $75. And of course the Waller jerseys as well. The Fish jerseys, I see different sizes. I do see different sizes, mediums. I saw a small right here. So if you're medium, you're good. Medium, small, you're good. And then they got this Los Angeles one. Is this the same one? No, it's different. Different. This is also $40. This is a small. They do have a Marquette triple XL. This is a Marquette. What's his face? D Wade jersey. Bunch of Mitchell and Ness shorts. The Lakers one right here. The MPLS Lakers. This is one of my favorite ones. These are medium right here. Going for 40. They got a bunch of Raiders, Bulls, Rams, Raptors. All kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff right here. On sale. They got the is this the Georgetown ones? This looks like a small though. This looks like a small. It is a small. Normally 80. These are all going for $40. Got Lakers one right here. This one's pretty dope. Yeah, this is normally like 80, 90 bucks. It might be 100. But yeah, down to 40 bucks. All their hats, 1 for 20, 2 for 30. So they got all kinds of fire hats. These are all, well, yeah, a lot of them are fitted hats. They got a Knicks right here, size 8 right here. They got a ton of hats. Magic right there, 7 3/4. It's a Seahawks hat. They have a ton of stuff. Bulls, this is a snapback. They got a bunch of these Knicks ones, bunch of different sizes. But yeah, man. They got hats. They got hats right here. Okay, $20 and $30. Bunch of snapbacks right here, but you know, bunch of dope stuff. Really cheap. All right, I don't feel like walking throughout the entire mall. Dude, Pro Image, man, they had some dope stuff. Had some solid deals. Let's go see Chic. Let's go see what's up. And with the Jordans lately, like some of these retail shops, especially Chic, it's been just as cheap. Look at this. That's at least what, 20% off, right? Right? That's off of Jordan 1 High OGs. This one is regular price. This is the Ochres that just came out, right? Dude got the Fear 3s, not on sale. I do like those Fear 3s. These just came out, right? These bad boys just came out. Yeah, it came out on the 24th. I have not seen these yet. Jordan 1 High OGs. Leather's okay. Leather's okay. Not great though. OG color blocking right here. But dude got the black and whites. Please don't call these the pandas. Jordan 1 Low OGs right here for 140. And then I hope you guys already have this. I've been showing these forever. I can't believe they still have these though. Like I would have thought for sure people would have scooped them up for 135. Especially when they had them for 20% off on top. Around what was that? January? I think it was January right after Christmas. But yeah, 210 for these. Army Olive, is it yeah, Army Olive colorway right here, 225. All right, this one has come off, so yeah, 110 for these bad boys right here. Throw them back on. That's why they usually have tape over them, because they come off. But yeah, man, decent selection, decent sale too. Got some Lacoste sneakers. I've never seen these before. Got like the off-white inspiration right there. These look extra daddy, extra dad shoes, extra daddy, extra dad. Got the exposed foam right there, 135 for those. Lacoste coming out with a few sneakers. Okay. Haven't really seen the Lacoste line like that. 135 for these as well. Ultra Boost Steel still going for $100 right there. I don't know what this one. This one's nice though. I like that white and black. T-Max still hella cheap. $50 for those. These Kobe's, what these call Kobe's going for 120 for those. 95 for the crazy, what are these? The crazy 8s right here, right? This one got a ton of suede on them. 110 for those. We saw these on sale at Northwood. I can't believe it. $50. $50 for freaking Cortezes. These are down to 70, 90, and like they're not that much. Like in the first place, they're $90, which ain't bad. They do have a gazillion Air Force. I'm trying to see if they have any of the Luxes. If they have any of the Lux, like do they have any of the Luxes here? I don't see any. Because I was gonna check the regular price to see if I should have grabbed those Luxes. I don't really have the funds like that though. I'm trying to lay low financially. I've never seen this colorway of the pennies right here. Like, did this officially release? Never seen this one. But yeah, it looks like it matches with this as well. I grabbed this one. I was like, hey, I want to look at this. But yeah, it matches with this. I've never seen this colorway. It's pretty clean. It's not glow in the dark or anything. It is painted, but pretty fire. What are the price for these? Hey, they don't have y'all don't have price tags on these. But yeah, man, not bad. I think 170 now. What are these? 170, 175 now. And then these Zoom Freaks, they're down to $50. $50. Of course, all the Zoom Freaks on sale because every Zoom Freak has been on sale. 70 for those. Bread colorway right here. Oh, this is the newest one. I haven't even seen this anywhere. But do got a bread colorway right there. I don't know what colorway this is. That one's regular price, and then this one's on sale too. 70 for those. And then got a couple of KDs. 160. And this one's on sale for 130. And then do got LeBrons right here as well. But I think we're done, dude. Oh yeah, they are on sale. Yeah. 120. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. Traffic's probably died down. I'm gonna head home. I think I got enough footage for you guys. I want to make these videos, 15 to 20 minutes long. I think I got what we need. So we're out, you guys. Make sure you guys help away. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification if you're new. Like the video. Do all that good stuff. And check out some of these other videos, man. I got plenty of other videos. Been doing this for, 4 or 5 years now. We're out.